Every day that I see your face, I think to myself, why didn't I leave you out there to die? Oh well. I'll just make you wish I did. Come over here and hurry up. You're going to be wearing this. Oh, did I fail to mention to you? You're going to be a villain with me. And there isn't a choice. So, to make sure that you keep your germs far away from me, you're going to need this. Here. Now take good care of it, all right? If you lose it, I'll make sure you lose more than my mask. It's not cheap, and I don't give it to just anyone. Don't thank me for anything. I didn't do anything for you that I wanted to. Now, I think it's time you pay up. Oh, did you forget so quickly? You have details that I need to know about. So don't keep any secrets from me. I don't like secrets. I want you to tell me everything that you know. Starting back to the first time you met, what's his name? Midoriya. Now obviously the League of Villains isn't going to be doing anything anytime soon. That's why I'm taking up the mantle. Someone has to, right? Are you asking me why I kill people? Are you expecting a simple answer? I don't have one for you. I kill people because I kill people. Do you know why you eat? Because you're hungry. Why do you drink water? Because you're thirsty. Why do you clean your body? Because you're dirty. All of these things are spontaneous. Though I must say, there are a few reasons for why I want to rid this place of heroes. I'm sure you can guess why, can't you? How about this? Since you have so many questions for me, why don't I ask you a question, huh? Why did your teammates, your squad, your comrades, as they say, leave you out there to die? Isn't that sad? Weren't they the heroes that you said you looked up to? And they left you? They left you in my hands. Well, I could have just killed you, but I didn't. I didn't. You got lucky. You got lucky that my heart was in the right place that day. 'Cause if it wasn't, you would have been 10 feet under the ground by now. Oh, you don't have an answer now, do you? How sad. Well, I can tell you why. The reason for why your comrades left you is because, simple, they aren't your comrades. They left you to die. They gave two shits about you. And here you are talking about how you're going to reunite with them. Treating me like trash. I'm the one who saved you despite the fact that I killed people. What does that say about your friends? Huh? There's a lot you need to learn in this world. It gives and it takes and it takes and it takes. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are or what you do. This world is merciless. And you have to be too, or it will run you over. And you're used to that, aren't you? Getting walked all over by the people around you, by the people you care about. You get treated like trash by people you care about. That could never be me. That's why I closed that shit off. Are you really going to cry on me? At least get a napkin before you have your snot and boogers all over yourself. Here. Disgusting. You realize crying about your problems never fix them, right? They're still going to exist. Even more so now. But I have to hand it to you. You've got some mental toughness on you. You'll be of value one day, after I put you through the ringer, and I make you have value. Yeah. Are you asking me to kill you? Are you itching to die that badly? Well, that's just pitiful. I'm not just going to kill you because you want to die. That's way too easy. You know how many people in this world want to die? It's not that easy. At least I won't make it for you. But you know what? Here. If you really want to go, have this. Show me that you really want to lose your life. You see? You're even too scared to walk out that door. You don't want to die. That's your emotions, your heart talking to you. What you really want is to feel cared for, to feel appreciated, to feel like your life has meaning. What is a life with no meaning? What is a life with not a single reason to be happy? I remember someone told me, you should live your life trying to find the things that make you happy. What happens when you lose all of those things? What happens when they're all gone? What happens when there's nothing in this world that could ever make you smile or make you happy? What do you do then, huh? I'm still trying to figure that out. In the meanwhile, I don't know why I'm doing this, but come here. Open your arms, dumbass, and let me. You're gonna be all right. You're not going to die. Because I'm going to make sure of it.